This is a demo of an International 47 baler that just come through the shop. Baler was not running. We freed up the pickup head, the auger, and replaced numerous parts in the plunger. Proves the point that international balers can run plastic twine, which is a lot better than the sisal. Give us a call on the Balerman, 607-846-5959 to set up an appointment to have your international tuned up. This baler does not miss. It's been completely all through. Rerunning bales back through to show that it keeps on tying. Bale on the ground. The only thing left is we're going to replace all the bearings on the kicker. All these. Pretty well shot. New bearings, but first thing we wanted to prove to a gentleman that bought this baler that for years people have been telling me international balers ain't worth owning. Well, that's a mistake. It's just all how you set them up and how you clean them up. And when I set these up, the plastic twine, they just don't fail. They work good. They work good, comparable as a New Holland or a John Deere. Hey, you know, it's an international baler. It's makes a nice, good square bale. So, other than replacing some parts on the kicker, this baler's ready to go to the field. This baler is now owned by George Besley, Beaver Dams, New York. Baler was sitting outside for about 7 years. We just now got it back into working function. This baler was sold by Monroe Tractor, Horseheads, New York. The previous owner was Rich and Dawn Bowers. I offer baler classes on international balers on how to exactly set these up for plastic twine. If you're interested in joining a class, like I said, the phone number is 607-846-5959. You can see the results. It's a good working baler. Nice square bales. My assistant Mark works for Monroe Tractor also. International balers don't have to be running PTO speed. As I just got my tractor a little over an idle. This is really devouring hay and ice, and everything's functioning like it's supposed to. One tractor bale. We're gonna run one more bale through there, and that'll be it for the night. This is 9,000 feet, 170 knot strength, tensile strength, plastic twine. As you can see, works perfect. Nice, good, solid bales. That's good enough. As I said, I do offer classes, or I can rebuild these balers myself. And my assistant, the phone number to call is 607-846-5959. I also carry parts for these balers, new and used. Like I said, the motto is, when in a jam, call the Balerman. Have a good day.